Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
The one that we have. Who's this one?
That's Mr. Davis.
Mr. Davis. Okay, let's go on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Todd Davis, 232204. And appearance, counsel?
For the record, John Hope, P 30758 on behalf of Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis, would you please put your name on the record?
Todd Davis, Your Honor.
All right, and so you can hear and see your attorney, correct?
Yes, I have spoken with him, yes.
Okay, and you can see and hear him okay on the screen here?
Pardon me?
You can see and hear him okay on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you seem to be having some issues with your hair. Can you just tuck it behind your ears?
Yeah, they took my tie and, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine, it's okay, all right. All right, counsel, as to the arraignment.
Your Honor, I went over the charges with him. He would stand mute to those charges, waive a formal reading of those charges, and ask for plea of not guilty to the environment. Was charged with operating while intoxicated second, as well as driving while license suspended second.
All right, the court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purpose of the arraignment, and we will schedule this matter for a pre-trial on October 19th. 9:20 a.m. Counsel adds to bond.
Your Honor, as to bond, Mr. Davis does have a private record, including obviously an operating while. He is presently unemployed because a couple of months ago, he was a victim in an armed robbery. He was shot in the shoulder. And you can, if you visit the jail, you'd see the scar and all the surgery. He is presently residing with his family for support. The reason for his unemployment is because of his wounds and he's recovering from surgery. In fact, he has physical training scheduled for Thursday and also has pain management scheduled for next week in Dearborn. The physical training is at the Henry Ford facility here in Wyandotte. He's resided in Wyandotte for about the last 8 years, I believe, and he's not on probation or parole at this time, and he has never missed any type of a court date throughout even all of his other matters that he's appeared in court when expected. He's also been in contact with the prosecutor regarding the case now pending as him as the victim, and they are scheduled. In his contact, he's been informed that they are taking that matter to trial. I bring that all to your attention.
I'm sorry, which court did that, was that in this court?
No, purchase.
I understand that, but it had to originate somewhere other than Third Circuit?
I didn't
Because
answer.
Mr. Davis seems very familiar to me.
And he does have some prior, I don't know if it did or not, Your Honor. Mr. Davis, where did the matter that you're the victim of occur?
Oh, in the city of Detroit.
So it must have come out of the 36.
Sir, have you had cases here before?
I have been in front of you fortunate for me, them cases were dismissed and, I don't have anything active in front of you at the,
Okay.
I-
And were those cases?
yeah.
What
No,
was
I
the
am
nature of
on
those
the,
cases? Was there a
Pardon?
domestic violence? Is that what one of those was?
yeah, I stopped messing with, Miss Stevens. We don't talk to each other no more.
Oh, there's some things I just don't forget. I don't know why. All right, well,
Your Honor, also he's on medication because of his injuries, and he has not been provided with those medications for quite some time. We're asking for a reasonable bond under these circumstances. He's asked for a personal bond, however, Your Honor, obviously with an alcohol effect. Know his record does not support that. However, the personal bond aspect. However, because of his other circumstances, injuries, his inability to work at this point in time, they're asking for personal bond with an alcohol effect.
and I
The
understand.
alcohol. May I say something? Yeah, if I am placed on tether, I'm gonna be I will miss my physical therapy this week because now I will have to go down to the Wayne County Jail and sit there. Last time I went there for a tether, I was there for like 14 days waiting on a tether, and I don't have no medication. I have a plate with 13 screws in my arm. I have physical therapy this week, pain management here coming up Monday, and there's possibility that I won't even be able to make my appointments because I will be sitting down in the Wayne County Jail if I was to get a tether.
Okay, and sir, I can understand all that, but at the end of the day, your actions are why you're here, not anybody else's. You don't have a valid license to
Yes,
even
ma'am.
operate a motor vehicle, and
I don't even own a
you
vehicle.
have a prior conviction for alcohol-related driving, so you know at what point you feel a certain level, and you know when you shouldn't be driving.
DiSanto, I understand. I swear I understand that. Actually, the vehicle that I backed up because it was in Wyandotte here, it was at the riverfront and I had backed it up for the person.
Sir, we're not gonna have you talk about your, about the allegations. I'm just bringing to your attention that if you don't make those, that's not on the court. That's on your own behavior. So what I'm going to do is I am going to indicate a $7,500 10% bond.
I don't have the
In the
money
event
for-
bond is excuse me.
I don't have any money. I swear, I don't have no money. I'm not about to sit in jail. I don't even have pain medication there. Oh my God. I'm gonna miss all my physical therapy. I am in pain.
Sir, I can understand that you have some pain. Sir, here, at the end of the day, sir, you're not even to be driving, and you were driving, it's alleged. You also aren't supposed to be consuming alcohol and then driving, which is alleged. So there are some concerns that this court has for the safety of the public.
Ma'am, I'm not a threat to the public. I am not a safety, a friend had came over. I don't even leave the house because of this. It was just one time I left the house, DiSanto, I swear. I don't have any money.
Sir,
I don't.
Sir, if you have, listen, let me explain this. If you have medication that you need, you can have somebody in your family bring that medication up.
Family, only family I have is my mother. She's unemployed. She don't even have a vehicle. She's in her 60s. She can't even get it down here because she don't even, I do everything for her to pay the bills. As far as cooking, I try to do as much as I can. She's pretty much old. She can't do nothing. And now I'm sitting I don't-
60s, that doesn't make her old, sir. She's pretty much old. She's in her
No.
60s, that doesn't make her old. Sir, we're
No,
done.
but I'm-
$7,500, 10% with an alcohol charge through the Wayne County Jail. Thank you.
Thank you, Ron. And you said that probably.
Next Thursday. Yeah,
This-
I think I said angry.
Can I please have a personal bond, please? Please,
Mr. Davis, come on.
$750, I don't even have $750.